Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Mikis Auto Tools. This channel focuses on sharing knowledge about affiliate marketing to help you build effective affiliate marketing systems on platforms like Shopee and TikTok. In the previous video, I showed you how to add Facebook accounts into the MKT page software and how to scan Facebook pages so you can build a Shopee affiliate marketing system on Facebook. In this video, I will guide you on how to add content into the system, including content for posting, commenting, dropping Shopee affiliate links, and publishing review videos automatically on your Facebook fan pages. Before we get into the main content, let's start with the intro. First, open the MKT page software and go to the Content Management section. In this section, you can create folders as needed. For example, you can create folders for messaging, posting, pages, or different page systems. If you are managing 300 pages, you can name the folders based on those 300 pages to keep everything organized. Inside each folder, you can add different types of content. The system allows you to choose content categories such as *posts, *messages, *comments, *group posts, *settings/engagement, *sharing. If you want to post videos, you choose the video posting option. If you want to drop Shopee affiliate links in Facebook groups, you choose the post option. If you want to automate comments, you choose the comment option. Next, enter a title for your content. This title is only for internal management purposes. It will not appear in the actual post. You should name it based on its function so it is easy to manage. After that, add your content. You can include opening hooks, captions, or full post content. You can also upload videos created from AI tools or reaction-style videos. In previous videos, I already shared tools to help you create AI videos and re-edit content. Inside this system, you can also use content spinning structures. For example, *content 1, *content 2, *content 3. You can create multiple opening sentences and multiple body content variations. When the system posts, it will automatically randomize and combine them so each post will look different. This helps increase uniqueness and avoid duplicate content. You can also use dynamic variables such as *add number, inserts random numbers, *add time, inserts current time, *add date, inserts current date, *random text, generates random text, *random emojis, inserts emojis automatically. These features are very useful when posting in Facebook groups or commenting because they help your content look more natural and reduce spam detection. Finally, just click Save. You can store a large number of content templates in the system and reuse them whenever needed. So that is how you add content for posting, commenting, sharing, and automatically publishing review videos to your Facebook pages using the MKT page software. That's it for today's video. If you find it helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel to stay updated with the next videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.